today we're in this mukbang game with my friend Tim. And yeah, this is going viral for some reason, so click to order. Oh, mukbang menu, ramen menu, drinks, snacks, dessert, sushi menu. Oh, that's all. Okay, so we're gonna be eating every single thing in this whole game. And this guy's just...
Back here with mukbang. Me and Nathan just joined the game. Yeah, we played it like but we're making a video on it. So yeah, we're gonna be actually going through some stuff. So yeah, let's get right into it. I know you guys don't want to see me. Oh yeah, Nathan, would you like to mention what you did earlier?
Oh yeah, so chat, I was trying to enter this bathroom, but I didn't see, and I thought, boys liked pink, so I accidentally entered this one.
He said he thought like boys liked pink. Hey, yo.
What do you mean, okay, so I've got some chicken here that I just ordered, so let me spread this out.
Okay, guys, we're gonna order.
Yeah, everything except the ones I already ordered. We have no more room. We have to start eating. Alright, chat, here we go.
We're gonna be spamming this morning sound.
No, don't actually spam it. Like, actually eat it. This video is gonna be a long one. Okay, here we go. Let's just, dip it in ranch sauce.
This is gonna be about maybe 45 to 2 hours.
Ew, look inside the chicken. It looks like cardboard. Are we eating cardboard? Look, take a bite. Look, it's cardboard. Yummy! Eat cardboard!
That's the fried chicken. That's the fried chicken.
Okay, so yeah. Nice. Okay, cheese sauce. Oh, the pool. That's nice. And... let's take a bite of this honey soy chicken. Cheesy snow chicken. Yummy! But what even is snow chicken? What even is this? Hey, yo! Chad, did you just hear what Tim said? Tim said that the snowy... yeah! Wow, Tim, that's so good. Okay. Oh! Wait, chat! Oh.
Look, no, this is actually yellow snow.
Onion powder! That sounds disgusting. Onion powder? Oh, that looks disgusting. Spicy sauce. I'm gonna spam eat these. Okay, let's continue eating normal. Let's get some fried chicken. I don't know, I'm addicted. Well, not really addicted, but... Okay, onion powder. That looks disgusting.
The honey mustard sauce. That looks good.
Ooh.
Wait, dip the snow chicken in the honey mustard sauce and then you get yellow snow.
Bleh. I can't believe we're eating cardboard. It looks like we're eating cardboard.
Why can I click on it?
Wait!
I love honey mustard so much.
Wait, I just realized something. Wait, I just realized something, Tim. We are eating the bones. Look.
Bro, we take the bones out. There's just no animation for that.
Oh, I wish there was. Oh! Same time! Oh! And last chicken. Boom! Dip, 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 and boom. Let's clear the table. And now I have 3 more. I have 3 more. Okay, and then after that, we still need to eat more. Okay, Taki's chicken. These are... I've tried this once in my whole life, and this was the best thing I've ever tried. With ranch sauce. Wait, I just realized something. We need milk. Without milk, our mouth is gonna burn. Order list. Milk, milk, milk. I ordered 4 milks.
Oh, beef looks so good.
What? Lasagna!
That's not lasagna, that's cheese.
Oh, mac and cheese. Yeah, I got some milk for us. Go, 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 go!
You said some really inappropriate things. Also, the thing about milk.
What?
What you said about milk.
Yeah, cow's milk.
Honey garlic sauce.
Honey garlic sauce? I need to try that.
Sweet and sour.
Oh, crunch.
No, you cannot do this.
What?
Tacos and...
Well, yeah, duh.
Wait, it's in my tacos are like they just have to
Yo, we're eating. No, that's just to put it on. See, look, Takis, and if you touch the line, it puts the lime on it. Okay, I'm eating the rest of the Takis chicken. Okay, pick these up. Spam click! Meow, 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 meow. Yeah, me too. Go, 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 go.
Wait, they should have made an animation where you build a cup and then break it.
Ooh.
Go, 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 and then throw it behind you and break the cup as if you were drinking something else.
That's the last chicken. Okay, you ready? What were we on?
I just realized what I mean. I mean beer, I mean beer, I mean beer, I mean beer. Guys, I mean beer. I don't need something.
Wait, what were we on? Oh, blue Takis. Okay, so we finished the mains. The only thing left is the blue Takis. So grab some. I'm just gonna spam click these. Yum 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 yum. And now, guys, we're moving on to the ramen. Here we go. So, did you get every ramen? What ramen are you on?
I don't know, I just got a few of these. I don't even read them, I just get them.
Oh, and that's the map. Oh, she just walked all over our food! Get out of here! Look, what is she doing?
Stealing our stuff.
Yeah, get out of here, lady. I don't know. Oh, yeah, I'm getting these, so hopefully you didn't get these. I'm getting these. Oh. Oh, I still have chicken. Oh. Okay, eggs, sausage, sausage. Bo, why do people keep walking on our food? Yummy! Wait, this is ramen, and ramen is spicy. We need milk. I'm ordering my milk. What? My milk? You order your own. Guys, Tim saw us. I don't know what if you. No, you tripping, but I was saying my milk. I was ordering my milk. Yeah, Tim, weirdo. He tripping! What? No! Corn cheese! Yeah, I'm not eating that. That looks disgusting. Corn cheese! That looks disgusting! Oh, then... Wait, that causes... wait, what is it called? Hold up, let me just finish this. Okay, the, honey seafood the seafood boil costs Robux. She actually paid for that. Okay, now we're moving on to drinks. Okay, now we're gonna move on to drinks. Here we go. Okay, one strawberry milk. Here we go. Let's... Oh, you just drink it. Oh, there we go. Place that.
What's that? What's that?
These are drinks. But stop! What is that sound? Yummy. Let's try. Ooh, lime soda. Oh, that tastes good.
Okay, guys, I'm ordering a few more.
Yeah. Oh, the milk. Yummy. Oh, that lemon soda. I'm taking this because you won't eat it. I'm taking the chicken tacos. Okay, well, we're on strawberry milk, so... Okay, here we go. I ordered the rest of the drinks. Matcha milk? That sounds yucky. Now we just have to wash everything down by drinking all of these. I call the chocolate milk. Yeah, yummy! Strawberry milk. Strawberry milk's bussin'. Yeah. Banana milk? That sounds disgusting! Wait, blueberry milk. Wait, blueberry milk? Blueberry milk might not be bad.
Okay, let me buy some banana milk and I'm gonna drink it.
Okay, I'm heading on to snacks. There is so many snacks! Okay, this is gonna take a while to get through. Okay, one mozzarella stick, so onion... Actually, no, I'm gonna get rid of those. Okay, here we go. Corn dog, crumble dog, whatever that is, Takis dog, flaming hot dog, and apple... Apple on a corn dog! Yuck! Oh, this taste is nice. Yo. Bro, that... Wow, my matcha is great. What's a matcha? Sweet and sour sauce? Wait, we're literally eating the sticks in the corn dog. We're eating the sticks. That could not be healthy. Ow! Why are we actually eating the stick? Ow. Oh, Takis dog. Yes, yes, yes. With ranch sauce? What? Apple corn dog? I don't even want the apple corn dog. That sounds yucky. Apple on a corn dog? No, I'm good. It's the fall, right? Yeah, yeah. What, Mom? Yeah. That lady has her camera on. The lady next to you has her camera on. See your mouth? Oh, this is so good, chat. Okay, clear table. Bo, can people just... Okay, we should have done this in a private server. I can't see anything. Okay, here we go. Blue Taki, mozzarella sticks, onion boil, spicy boom boom. Okay, we're on spicy okay, hold up. Okay, here we go. Wait, sea grapes! Oh my god, I love sea grapes. Wait, let me try this. How many drinks do you have? Dang. Onion boil. That sounds so nice! Oh, that sounds so good! Oh, that sounds so good! Oh yeah, the sea grapes are my new favorite. That sounds good. Oh, that is amazing. Oh, that's good. Wait, look at the effects. When you eat something that has sauce on it, it makes your mouth, like, turn that color. Oh, that's cool. And Tim's still drinking water. Says you always drink soda. Buddy, you always drink soda. You always say, okay, I'm getting my soda. Dang, he just admitted he used to drink 10 sodas a day.
No, I used to drink like 3 to 4.
Dang!
Sometimes I drink 5 or 6, maybe 10.
What the heck, bro? Your teeth are gonna be black.
I don't drink. I'm not sponsoring them.
Oh, that sound is nice. Oh, and look, this thing's super good. This thing, look at this, mozzarella stick. Look at the cheese pool. Then eat the last one, look. Ooh, crunch. Okay, eat the rest of the stuff you have in your inventory. Okay, now we're on desserts. Oh wait, no, we still need to get... Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Can you order the spicy mushrooms? It's at the very bottom right. That's the last thing. Place order. Oh, crab claws. Honey crab claws. Spicy crab claws. I call all of those. Yep, give me those already. Spicy tails. Honey lobster tails. Everything else is too big to fit on the table. Oh! Oh! That sounds so good! Oh, yeah. Oh, that tasted so good. Oh, the sound. Oh, you also... Oh, yeah, we didn't do salmon yet. I completely forgot.
Yeah, share some salmon with me, bro.
Yeah.
Wait, can I do this? Oh,
What?
I can dip the salmon in sauce.
We're done. Oh, yeah, and put some lime on that? Oh, yeah, I know that tasted good. Okay, we ate everything. Clear table. Okay, here we go. Okay, yeah, I'll take some of those. Oh, mussel. Oh, that sound is so nice. Yee, mukbang. Why are we actually enjoying this? Oh, the sound. Lobster tail. Ooh. Take some mussels. There's some mussels with me. They're on the far left. Yeah. There's one more mussel left. Oh, you did order mussels, so I guess we ordered 2.
No, I didn't order them. You just ordered 2.
Nah. 2 times. Ooh. I'm just gonna eat them super fast. There we go. Spam click. And. Oh, that sounds so nice. Yes! Alright guys, you ready? We're gonna do more salmon now. I forgot about the salmon. Oh, sushi, my bad. Okay, what are you on? What did you order? Alright, I'm gonna order these. Yeah. Oh, I accidentally stand it up, my bad. I can't, both. Okay, there we go. Boom. Oh, salmon's so good. Oh, I keep saying salmon. Sushi's so good. Well, they both are good. Why can't I place it on the far left? You tripping! Alright, I guess I'm just gonna spam click all of these. Because this would take forever to get through all of them. Dang, I just hit all of those at once. Eee, this is so good. Place that down. But why is it like disappearing? Okay, I guess we just have to eat all these. Am I lagging?
I can't even pick this up.
What? Oh yeah, I'm spam clicking all of these. Oh yeah, get some of that. I can't even eat this. I think I broke the game. I ate too fast that it can't process me eating.
I had to put something in my inventory because I couldn't even press on it.
I can't eat this. I'm gonna have to reset. Well, after I eat everything else.
Put it in your inventory and then don't worry about it. Put it in the backpack button so you don't have to worry about it.
Backpack. Oh, I have 2 more in here. I didn't even notice.
You can do that? I didn't know.
There we go.
Okay,
Okay, I ordered 2 of those, so let's just finish these green ones before we continue. Yummy, 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 yummy.
Let me take the last one.
Okay, so now order these. Oh, Connor's calling me.
No, I don't answer.
I know, because we're making a video. There's so much sushi. There's sushi tacos! Sushi tacos!
I think Nathan just died.
Okay, spicy octopus. Okay, so we need to order, 11 more stuff to finish the sushi. Bo, Kano joined. Kano, sorry, I can't play with you. I'm making a video. I wish I could tell him that. No, he can't play with you. I have so much stuff in my inventory. I know, I need to place it down, but there's all these tables, so let's just finish eating these.
What's going on in chat?
Okay, oh, I know that tastes good. Yeah, well, he does have a channel with like 10,000 views. Okay, let me just finish that. Why can't I place this? Okay, there we go. But if this is real life, I can easily place it right here. What?
At least I can even admit that it's the channel they share. It looks so cool. I love this sushi. I want more.
Big back maybe? Why do you want more?
The blue sushi is so cool, dude. The blue sushi is so cool.
Why can't I place this? Look, I can easily place it right there, but it won't let me. I guess I have to eat everything. Yo, Chad, this video is pretty long. No, I'm saying eat some of this. Yeah.
So good, dude.
Oh, you got the sushi tacos, W. Get some spicy octopus. What do you mean? He said ayo. Expose his channel. Well, eat. Yummy! Oh yeah, I'm clearing the table in 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's just finish this. Okay, spicy. I'm picking up all of these. Oh, I didn't know I still had these. No, but hold up, I'm resetting. There's something in my inventory that's annoying me. Okay, it's gone. Okay, I'm coming back if I can even find you. This place is a huge maze. No, guys, I'm tripping. What's up, fam? Bah!
What was that for?
I just jumped on your head.
We don't get the last tacos.
Okay, well, we ordered everything, right?
No.
Oh yeah, we still need these. Oh yeah, I ordered the last 3.
Oh no, you have ordered almost a lot of things. I haven't ordered everything. I gotta try out everything.
Oh, I thought we were selling it.
I haven't tried something.
Oh, it's so crunchy. Pick these up.
Kind of fun though. Why do I have some?
Cause it's yummy. Well, this. Okay, clean table. Okay, I finished. Wait, packs. Wait, it says packs on the left side. Oh. Oh, but it costs Robux to get it. Okay, well, the last thing I haven't tried is dessert, so... Oh, this looks so good! Okay, yes, get all of those. Oh, look how good this looks, Tim. Look how good this looks.
Oh, that looks good.
It's cereal. That looks so good. Dessert? Okay, yeah, let's order everything else. Oh, these look so good. Oh, that sound! I heard that. That is nice. Okay, I'm gonna start eating the cereal, starting with Choco Button cereal. Look, you literally pour the milk in. Look, Tim. Oh. Yo, whoever has headset right now is dying. Oh. Oh, that's so nice. Yo, that's like a beat. It's like dun 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 dun. Alright, oh, yeah, cookies and cream cereal! Oh, this looks so good! Oh, this looks so good! Oh. What? Oh. I'm trying one. Oh, that sounds so nice! Yo, chat, W game. Yo, this is so good. Nice. I don't know why eating can be so fun. Oh, that's nice. Okay, I'm gonna eat this cereal over here. Okay, boop. And then yummy! Okay, let's start eating. Wait, what's his name? What's his name? No, what's his name in Roblox?
It's my friend and his little brother.
Oh, so, but I thought Diego said, he doesn't play Roblox.
Oh, his little brother has an
Okay. Guys, this is so nice. I hate Roblox. If you're watching this, bring back chat. That was, like, what are you guys thinking? I just got flashbanged. If you move your camera, move your camera right in front, like right behind the sign, and you'll get flashbanged. It's the auto sign. Now. Strawberry cookie cereal. Oh yeah, I know this is gonna taste good. Oh yeah. Tim. Why? Do you know those earbuds? Why are they connected to your, chin?
Because they're made to be connected to a certain height. They're not supposed to be connected. they're supposed to be someone like your height, because your default height.
Oh, yeah.
Taller. I already have earbuds.
Ah!
Right now, I actually own an accessory.
Oh, this is so nice. Well, guys, we're closing in to the end of the video after we eat these pizzas.
Well, you got your
Yeah, okay. Oh, this pizza's so nice. Yo, admit it, guys. What's better, cheese, pepperoni, or vegetable pizza? I like pepperoni. Yeah, I kind of like, vegetable pizza.
And, pineapple on pizza, it's not something I usually ever remember. But if someone asks me, hey, do you like pineapple on pizza? Or do you want me to eat pineapple on pizza? I'm like, sure, why not?
Okay, guys, well, I'm gonna end this by drinking chocolate milk and ordering, choco bar cereal. Actually, no, cookies and cream cereal. Yeah. Okay, that's what I'm gonna end with. Okay, let's start eating this. Mom, she just walked on your food. Wait, what? Okay, oh, I just remembered, Tim. Guess what? After this video, our characters are gonna have diabetes.
Oh, yeah.
Like, bro, we're eating so much stuff. Guys, we're gonna end this video by eating chocolate milk. Here we go. Drinking chocolate milk. You ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Well, chat, that's it for my video. Tim's gonna keep recording, and yeah, I hope you. Tim!
What?
The number of food I've eaten is 666. Wait, I need to change that to, 1 more, because then it's 667. I guess I'll have spicy ramen. Well, guys, that's it for today's video. See you.